Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Kylie Jenner inspired look. Now this look was from one of her recent posts. I don't have her palette, so we're going to use something else. And if you want to see how I recreated this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off with the NYX Do Me Up primer. And I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in 170. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Forgot about that for a second. Now I'm going to bronze up my face with this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm also going to contour my nose with that bronzer. I'm just going to put some Laura Mercier translucent powder on my T-zone and everywhere else. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did my brows. And today we're gonna be using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't have her palette, so I'm gonna be using this bad boy right here. I'm gonna be going in with this color right here, Incense. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. Now I'm going to use the color Eccentric right there and put that in the same spot. And I'm also going to put both of those colors underneath my waterline. And I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to put the color Summer right here all over my lid. Now I'm going to put some of this Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in Cocoa Bling on my inner corner and my brow bone. Alright, now that I'm done with that eye, I'm going to go do the other eye and I'll be right back. I'm back. Oh my god, my eye is so itchy. My eyelash is like poking my eyeball. As you can see, I finished this eye. I put on some eyelashes. These are Azaretto lashes. I hope I'm pronouncing them right. And if you use my code Cassie10, you get 10% off. Let me know if you ever use that code, please. It would mean so much to me. I used this mascara, Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. And I'm also going to put on this Wet n Wild blush in Pearlescent Pink. I'm also going to put on that Diamond Glow powder that I put on my inner corner and my brow bone. And put that on my cheekbones. And I'm also going to put on this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Bare. And this was actually the one that she used in the photo. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.